guys, the car is full to the top. I don't think you guys understand. Look at, damn, so many orders. I cannot open the passenger doors. Everything will just fall off right now. This thing is stuffed to the top. Alright guys, just like that, they are full to the top, bro. We have so much packages, dude. Thank you guys, thank you. It's actually crazy. It's like a dream come true, bro. Anyways, what's up guys? Thanks for watching another video. Today's day 11 of the Vlogmas series, 11 days in a row. Right now we're just starting off the day here at the post office, dropping off all you guys' packages, everything that we shipped last night. That was a lot of orders, bro. We still got a lot more to do. Again, if you guys haven't watched last video, I wanted to apologize for the delay on the orders. I've been trying my best to get them all out. There's just a lot of orders, guys. You guys went insane last month, especially with the Black Friday drop. You guys went crazy, so thank you. I appreciate it. We're trying to get your orders out as fast as we can. A lot of the Black Friday orders are also a little bit behind and delayed because it's a lot of pre-orders. A lot of the old drops that I re-dropped again, I'm waiting for that to be finished, and then I'm gonna ship those out as well. But most of the orders are out. Just check your tracking numbers for updates. And again, if you guys haven't got your order yet, your orders are gonna be there soon. Trying my best, guys. Anyways, today's a new day. We are actually about to do a new mod on Josephine's new 3 Series. If you guys remember, she got a 3 Series, a 330i. And yesterday, she actually went and did her first mod to the car without me. She has a friend that wraps cars, and they actually did a chrome delete on her car. It already looks so much better. I'll show you guys right now. And then right now, we're about to get her windows tinted. So 2 new mods in 2 days. I think these are like the most important mods though. The chrome delete had to be done, bro. Looks so much better all blacked out. And then the window tint, of course, dude. That shit is a fishbowl right now. Every car looks better with window tint. So let's go drop off her car right now, and I'll show you guys how it looks. All right, check it out. So much better with the black window trim. Looks crazy. Way better. I don't know if you guys remember, but it had like a silver / chrome window trimmer along this whole thing, and it just looked ugly. It was throwing off the whole car. She does still have the silver chrome grills. It was like the same material on the windows, but she still has the grills because I think Beamer Plug is about to put some carbon fiber ones on this car. So we're about to start doing little mods on this. It's gonna be sick. I know it looks completely stock right now, but eventually, hopefully we can make it look like M340 type of thing, you know what I mean?
It doesn't look stock with that now. Now it's black.
Now it's modified? So yeah, we're about to get her windows tinted because obviously, look how clear it is. You can see everything. You hate it?
Yeah.
Why?
Everybody can see.
Yeah, she don't want people looking at her. So we're gonna tint the windows. I don't blame her. I love window tint. And all my cars are completely blacked out. Like you can't even see anything in or out sometimes. I swear. It's so dark. We're back with my boys at Unlimited 909. About to get the windows tinted. This is where I came to do the G80, the GTR. I forgot what other cars, but I feel like I bring all my cars here. This is before, guys. Look how see-through it is. And the car looks hella nice in here. It's so shiny. I had to get it washed real quick too for her, but my boy Freddy's NSX. It's always sick to see it here. Let me drive it, bro. It's just hard. I feel like we're gonna see a lot of these in Japan when we go over there, huh? I feel like it's like the Honda Ferrari or Acura with the engine in the back too, the carbon wing. So fire. They're gonna take some before and after pictures real quick. If you guys need any window tint done on your car, make sure you guys check out my boys over here at Unlimited 909. The only place to go to get your windows tinted. Like I said, all my cars have been tinted right here. Everything's ceramic tint. I think today we're gonna put 5% on the back of her windows, 15 on the front too, and then 50 on the windshield. So hopefully it's not too dark for her. Because guys, Josephine is blind, bro. She can't see nothing at night. She was like, I do not want it to look like your G80. My G80 is super dark. You can't see anything outside at night. But I like it like that. I don't want no one to see me inside, but she doesn't want it that dark. So I'm trying to think of what percentage we should put on the front too. Maybe 20 on the front too, because it might be too dark. They're gonna get it done real quick. We're gonna go grab some food, and then we'll be back here in a couple hours, and it should be all complete. Full window tint, including the windshield. And then I think tomorrow, possibly, we might drop off her car to get a huge transformation, guys. I think we're gonna get it wrapped already. It's so soon, everything's happening so fast. The chrome delete, then the window tint, and then now full wrap. And you guys could probably already guess what color she chose, but stay tuned. We might do that tomorrow, maybe. I think it's gonna be cool. Cool little build series of her car. She's super excited, guys. I'm trying to think of ideas like what else we can do to make the car look cool. It definitely needs some like wheels and maybe get lowered a little bit, but I don't want her scraping everywhere, so We'll see. Maybe just some wheels to fill in the gap. Whatever she wants. I'm letting her do whatever she wants, guys. She's choosing everything, honestly. She's chosen the color. She wanted to do the chrome delete once I showed her the before and afters. And I even let her pick the grill that she wants from Beamer Plug. So we'll see what else we can get. Beamer Plug's trying to find like a front lip for this body style because I don't think they make a front lip yet for this model. But we're trying to do a little build series, guys. Trust the process. Bro, it looks hella shiny, dude. I wish my G80 was black. Yeah, the chrome delete is so much better. It used to be silver. It looks so ugly. It's crazy the big difference that makes the black window trim. I'm also gonna try to debadge it, I think. Take off the 330i so people think it's an M340. I'm gonna put a B58 in it too. Match it. All right, we are back picking up the car now and it looks so good. You ready?
I haven't looked yet.
Let's get Dustin's reaction.
Brand new 340i. Come on, dude.
Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, look.
Oh, wow.
It looks so much better on. Dude, the car already looks like a completely different car than when you first bought it. Like the chrome delete, the tinted windows. This shit looks nice.
It looks so much. You guys can't tell me this doesn't look better.
Yeah, low-key, I'll drive it. I'm down.
Wow. Of course you're down.
Bro, it looks really good. And as you guys can see, we did 50% on the windshield. So just a little bit darker than normal. Just a little bit. So you can see out of it. And then the sides are 15.
No, no.
What?
Isn't that illegal?
It is illegal, but
No.
we doing illegal things out here. Nah, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. We don't do nothing illegal on this channel, all right?
It looks completely
I
different.
know. No, it looks really good. See how everything looks blacked out now?
Wow.
And then the back are all limo, all around.
The chrome delete. Shout
Chrome
out
delete.
Liz.
Yeah, this looks sick.
This looks amazing.
Yep, and shout out to Unlimited Window Tint, guys, here in Redlands. If you guys want to get your windows tinted, this is the only place to go. Like I said, they've done all of my cars.
I was just saying, since I've known Nick, I think we've been here 3 times.
I know. And they did my mom's car too.
Yeah, I know this place because of you.
Hit them up, ask for Freddie, let them know FindingNick sent you, maybe he'll hook you up. The next thing is just the grills, but like I said, I think we're gonna wrap the car and then we're gonna add the grills
And we're gonna
after
put
that.
the front lip and we're gonna lower it too.
Maybe. You can see there's some like haze on it, but I think it's just drying still. They just finished it, like literally a minute ago. No, you cannot.
Remember when you first got your GTR tinted or something and you rolled the windows down?
Yeah, probably.
I remember that.
Especially right now, they're completely new, like fresh. They just did it.
This looks so good.
Yeah, it
Look
looks
at this
sick.
beauty.
Move this. Let's take it off.
I'm still confused. This car is not, Nick has been telling me that this is the same body as a G80.
It is. It's the same body.
Huge.
I think because the J80s are wider, they're wider fenders, everything like that. But
So
it's same body.
Same body if it's wider. That's what I'm.
The fenders, like they put bigger fenders on top.
So it is bigger.
Fenders, but
You've been trying to gaslight
the
me.
body's the same.
I knew it. I knew this was smaller. I knew
It's
it.
not smaller.
It is
It's the
smaller.
same car as
So
mine.
if you put the butt of your J80 right here and the butt of
It's
my
the same.
car together, it would be the same.
You know how I know too?
distance
Because
across.
we could share taillights. That's how you know it's the same car. I could put my
so then
taillights in yours.
what's a fender?
The side.
So then how is the back the same? Do you get what I'm saying?
Never mind,
You don't have
dude.
to put it in there. I'm just saying, do you get what I'm saying?
No. Nah, I get what you're saying, but all right, so this part on the M3 is completely wider a little like this. But everything else is the same.
Guys, please comment down below if that makes the back bigger.
I get what you're saying. It's
than this.
the shell, okay? So let's say like a human body, the bones are the same. But it just got some like a big butt on it.
Which makes it bigger.
Okay, never mind. We're gonna put an M3 badge on it next.
Okay, period. And it's gonna be pink.
I'm just kidding, we're not putting no M3 badge.
Okay,
never.
we're not doing that.
But we'll debadge it so no one, you don't even know what it is.
You guys, I want to do this pink.
Yeah, we could do that too.
I want to make that pink. It'd be cute.
This is funny, look, do not roll down, because some people forget. Like, I've literally forgot to not roll my windows down either, so that's cool. That's a cool little touch that they add. Better, and it's ceramic tint too, guys, the best of the best. Cars need tint. I hate cars without tint. I'm gonna be driving with a fishbowl on the M4 GTS to show off the cage, so I get it, but I hate people looking at me inside. I hate it, bro. What if I'm like picking my nose or something and people catch me? It's a couple hours later, we are in the G80 now. We are actually going to a car meet. I think this is probably gonna be the last meet with the Christmas lights. We got the Christmas lights on. Let me see if you can see them. There you go. Last meet with the Christmas lights. I think I'm gonna take them off. I just don't want to scratch the car. I've been talking about this for the past couple days. I'm just scared about messing up this wrap because I'm not trying to change it up, bro. I know if I mess it up, it's just a wrap. I can always change it, but I don't want to change the color quite yet. I love the mint green. And also, I just want to drive my car freely, bro, and not have to worry about the lights flying off or all that stuff. And I want to wash it too, and I can't wash it with these lights. You probably can, but I'm sure it's gonna mess up all the tape even more. We made it, guys. We made it to the meet. Parked right here. I don't even know if I can park there like it says. What does it say? Tow? Bro, I'm gonna get towed, bro. It's packed, huh? We're back with the filmer too, by the way. What if my car gets towed? You don't think so? No, do I have to left?
Hey, this is the guy that got pulled over,
Stay
right?
ref right here. Yeah, that's the guy who doesn't get state rep. I don't know why, bro.
He said he got pulled over like a couple times.
Yeah, Corvette privilege, bro. What is it?
Oh.
Let me have it, bro.
Bro,
Max?
they sound good, bro.
Man, that shit sounds sick, bro. God damn. It's only installed though.
The manuals don't come with launch, huh? Oh, wow. Only the meeting cage.
Why are you leaving already?
It's too gay for me.
We just got here.
We're in the ghetto.
We are in the ghetto, I'm not gonna lie.
He's over it.
Yeah.
Bro, come on.
Bro, come on. I'd rather be home playing Call of Duty.
Salvage. Oh no.
That's me after Taco Bell cheese.
It's crazy how the United two sound better, huh? No way we made Nico drive all the way over here for this.
Bro, this is trash.
It's trash, bro?
Everyone's leaving. Look at this.
Yeah, guys, this means dark. You can't even film. I thought it was gonna be way crazier, but
It's ghetto.
everyone keeps saying it's ghetto, dude. The Kevin Speck orange Huracan and the Kevin Speck G-Wagon. Bro, what is that?
It's like a Datsun.
Oh shoot! Look at LAPD. Yeah, we. Oh my God! Look at. That shit sounds crazy. Look the helicopter in the air, bro. Look at it. Pointing the light. This is the Fast and the Furious shit right here. Oh my God.
I'm trying to find Nick, bro. He's
Not
right
me,
here.
not me, not me. I'm just here. I'm the news, you know? I'm just here documenting. Look at, there's people running. It's literally like the Fast and the Furious movie, bro. Cops, cops, cops. People are parked. We need the helicopter to point their light right here so I can vlog, bro. Where's the light at? Oh, they turned it off. I think we got an orange Strato, the off-road Lambo. You like these ones?
No.
No? I
Pointless.
think it's honestly sick, bro.
I like the carbon though. That's
Oh, yeah,
new.
what the heck?
It's always plastic.
And the STO. This guy was going crazy right now, but I missed it. But STO, those are sick. My boy got the light. Look at it. R8. Oh, two R8s.
Hey, but look at
The old one and the new one. But yeah, the light honestly works, bro. iPhone light.
When are you gonna finally get one, bro?
I'm hoping it's soon. When? Soon. Like very soon. I can't wait, bro.
KG specs too.
Bro, this is nice, dude. Look at the wheel.
I like the black one.
All right. Do you think this sounds better straight piped or the SVJ?
I think SVJ still sounds better, huh?
This is hybrid, bro.
But bro, I think this looks better though.
Of course.
I think it looks
Way
better.
better. Dude, the
Yeah.
real looks like a fucking fighter jet.
Yeah, it looks like a fighter jet, bro.
The real.
Let's check out the front end real quick.
Bro, it looks like a fighter jet, huh? Look at the jet engines, bro. It's literally like jet engines.
You want an SVJ one day, but will you get this
I think
instead?
this tops it, dude.
Hey, what did you buy? Hellcat.
I'm gonna get one too.
Really?
Oh, wait. I'm gonna get random. I'm gonna get a Hellcat too, guys. A lot of people don't want me to. Because I got a big BMW on here. They're like, don't do it.
Oh, shit. We got people all over there. We got people all over here. Look at this shit.
Bro, that shit is loud.
Look at the plates.
He's definitely a YN, bro.
Really,
Rich. That's Kevin, really rich. No way.
That sounds good.
That shit got a single exit.
Oh damn, these look sick.
Lady with a single exit? I've never seen that.
Ooh. R.I.P. Adro. There we go. Guys, I know this is a BMW channel, but comment down below. You guys like how the C63 sounds or the E92 M3? Beautiful sound.
Alright guys, we left the meet. But the 720 is so loud, guys.
Oh my god, bro! What? That shot right into my face!
That's insane.
Dude, that is crazy. Insane! Yeah, it's a huge one! Oh my god, it's a war zone over here! What the? My ears hurt. Alright, I'm done. My ears hurt. My ears hurt so bad. Bro, I'm literally deaf. I can't hear. What'd you say? Oh, what the? Bro, this ain't helping. Shoot flames. Dude, that is crazy.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.